You have passions in creating content or becoming a YouTuber, but your biggest challenge is that you are camera shy. You don't want to appear on camera, or you don't even want to speak to a camera. You feel your voice sounds weird and people are not going to watch your videos. Don't worry, you are not alone. I actually know many persons who are facing the same challenges or the same problem that you are currently facing. I know a lot of persons that also want to create videos just like you do, but their problem is that they don't know how to speak to camera, they don't want to face a camera, or they don't even want to appear on camera. So this is why I'm making this particular video, to bring or to provide a quick solution for you guys. So on this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to create content or how to create a YouTube video without showing your face using AI. So this is what today's videos is going to be talking about. So with the help of AI, your problem is gone, because on this video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to generate or how to create high quality videos using AI, where you can publish on your channel and make millions or thousands of naira from your channel without showing your face. But before we dive in, welcome back to Videos Official. On this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and how to make money online. So if today happens to be the first time you are visiting our channel, make sure to like this video, leave a comment on the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Let's dive in. For you to start creating your faceless video, all you have to do is to head over to your Google search and type ChatGPT. So after clicking on ChatGPT, you now click on the first option that comes up. So what you are going to do here is to get your video script, like the type of video that you want to create, get the script before we now move to the second tools that we are going to use for this particular video. So make sure you stick to this video from beginning to the end so that you will not miss out on any steps. So this is what we are going to do right here. Ask ChatGPT anything. We are going to ask ChatGPT to give us, like, give me 5 YouTube video title on tech to generate video using AI tools. Okay, to generate video, you can just leave it like this. Give me 5 YouTube video title on tech to generate script. Should we use, okay, we can now proceed. You see, so ChatGPT is going to help you suggest 5 titles that you can use, or 5 titles that you can choose any of them to create your video. So let's look at what we are going to take. The number one is, this AI just changed everything. Here is what you need to do. Top 5 gadgets you won't believe exist in 2025. I tried building a smart home with $500. Let's go for top 5 gadgets you won't believe. So all you just have to do is to ask ChatGPT to create a content, to write a script for you on this particular topic. So we are now going to say, write an engaging script on, you now paste the title of the video that we choose. Now click on OK. So ChatGPT is going to help you generate the script that you can use to generate this particular video. So let's wait for ChatGPT to finish. ChatGPT is writing. See, let's wait for ChatGPT to finish. As you can see, ChatGPT is writing our script. Let's wait. Note, we are using technique. So while making your own, you can ask for anything. Understand? You can ask for any niche that you want, anything that you want to generate. You can ask ChatGPT to do that for you. So this is what we are going to do. All you just have to do is to copy this script let's copy this script from start to finish. So after copying this script, you now head over to your Google again and type in video.ai. So after typing that, you are going, let's wait for it to open. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Now click on try in video AI. So now for the first time, you need to sign in with your Google account or with your Apple account. So I am going with Google account. So after clicking on the Google account, it's going to load. Let's wait for it to load. So once it loads, it's going to take you to this particular page. So all what you have to do, it automatically show my name right here. Just hit on continue. So after clicking on continue, then how did you discover in video? Let's just say YouTube. You can Google search or whatever. Let's use Google search. Now click on continue. Let's know you better. The more we know about you, the better we can customize your experience. So let's say content creator. You see, now hit continue. Let me reduce this. We are going with content creator, then we click on continue. Date of birth, for example, or for the purpose of this video, I can just use 19. Okay, now let's proceed by clicking on continue. So after that, it's going to take you to the in video home page or dashboard. So as you can see right here, it says give me a topic, your point of view, and instruction in any language. So this is what it asks for. So what we are going to do is, if you check under this place, you are going to see create short video. So if you want to create short video, you can use this one. If you want to make explainer video, you can use this one. Then what we are going to use, or what you should choose, is use my script. So click on use my script. So after clicking on use my script, what we are going to do is, which platform do you want to make this video for? We are making this video for YouTube, so you just have to click on YouTube. Now paste your script. Click on this particular place. If you are using a phone, you can just press and hold, then click on paste. But if you are using a laptop like I'm doing right now, you can just press Ctrl V to paste your script. So after pasting your script, you just need to head over and click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, still click on generate my video. So you have to wait for the AI to help you generate your video. Note, this might take a while because it's going to create everything. This is a process of creating a real video using the AI. So you just need to have patience while the AI is helping you to create your video. As you can see right here, the title is okay and it's tick. Let's wait for others. Still analyzing content. So this particular tool is checking out the content, the script that we input. So let's wait. You see, content analyzed, that one is okay. Now content processed, that one is okay. Thinking a bit more, let's see, wait. You see, so it's going to take you to this particular place, and as you can see right here, it shows our topic: top 5 gadgets you won't believe exist in 2025. So audience, which audience are you targeting? We are targeting tech enthusiasts, people that love tech. So this is what we are going to do. Then duration, 2 minutes 30 seconds, 2 minutes 45 seconds, and 3 minutes. Let's go with 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, let's choose this particular one. And the platform, we are making it for YouTube. So if you are making this particular video for Instagram Reels or TikTok, you can select any of this one. Now what we are going to do is to head over and click on generate. So after clicking on generate, now the tools or the AI is now going to generate your video for you. Now let's wait. You see, you just have to wait. It's 23%. Let's keep going. see. It's loading the preview. Let's look at it right now.
Forget everything you thought you knew about tech. These are the top 5 gadgets you won't believe exist in 2025. And trust me, number 1 is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Number 5. X-Real Air 2 AR glasses. These aren't your regular sunglasses. They let you watch a 130-inch screen floating in midair, control your phone, and even navigate Google Maps, all with just your eyes. No bulky headset, just sleek and smart. Coming in at number 4 is the Unitree Go 2 AI robot dog. This futuristic companion can dance, carry small items, respond to voice commands, and even patrol your house. It's your personal assistant, bodyguard, and best friend, all in one robotic dog. Number 3 will blow your mind. Meet the Samsung Flex Hybrid. The first smartphone that both folds and slides. Yeah, it transforms from a regular phone to a full-blown tablet in just seconds. Perfect for binge-watching, gaming, or multitasking like a boss. At number 2, we've got the Time Kettle WT2 Edge earbuds. These AI-powered earbuds can translate over 40 languages in real time. Just pop them in and start speaking. They'll handle the rest. Whether you're traveling, negotiating, or making new friends, language is no longer a barrier. And finally, number 1. The most unbelievable gadget of 2025. NextMind 2.0. This brain-computer interface lets you control devices using only your thoughts. Scroll, click, and even play games, just by thinking. This is no longer sci-fi, it's real life in 2025. So, which of these futuristic gadgets blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe for more next-gen tech, and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next. Because in 2025, the future isn't coming, it's already here.
Without you showing your face or stressing yourself out to face a camera or talking to a camera, AI does everything, or AI do everything for you. So if you want to remove this watermark that you are seeing right here, you can subscribe, because this is a premium tool and we are using the free version. That is why you are seeing this watermark. So if you want to remove this watermark, you can just click on remove watermark right here. So when you click on remove watermark, you can make a payment for you to purchase the premium version of this particular tools, so that you'll be able to get your video without watermark. Your YouTube journey starts today. So if you are really interested in making thousands or millions of naira from YouTube, apply the process that I just showed you on this particular video, then thank me later. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and most important thing, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a banker like this. Bye.